Hi everyone, I am Mary Ferrella BSCS2C. So for today's video, I will going to show you the simple DHCP mode. So first, we need the devices. The first one will be the PC. Then the laptop. And the server. Since they are all different devices, we need switch in order for them to connect. Switch. Using copper straight through, we can connect the server to the switchboard. Same as the laptop to the second port of the switch. And lastly, the PC. So this is what they call straight through. So pwede man natin i-connect ang same devices but using the crossover connection. So let's try it. So PC to PC, laptop to laptop, and then we will going to use the crossover. PC to PC, and then laptop to laptop. So we will going to label them PC1, PC2, L1, and then L2. So, pwede man nga ma-connect ang PC to laptop since they are the same end devices. So, let's try it. PC to laptop. And then, we will going to connect them using the crossover. So, we will label it PC1 and then L1. So, we focus diri sa PC1. So, butang natin sila sang IP address. Butangan natin sila sang network first. So, network 192.168.1.024. Then the second one is 192.168.2.0/24. Then the last one is 192.168.3.0/24. I forgot to put the network name. Network. So, first, we focus muna dito sa PC1 and PC2. So, we will going to put their IP address and subnet. So, the IP address of PC1 will be IP address is 192.168.1.1. Then the subnet is 255.255.255.0. So, for the PC2, ang IP address dapat different ang last na number. So, IP address one 192.168.1.2. Then the subnet is the same. So, para mabayaan mo nga connected sila, try to do this. So, we're going to tap to So, tap the PC, then go to the desktop, IP configuration, static, put the IP address 192.168.1.1, then the subnet, X nyo lang siya dason, then the PC2, desktop pa rin, then IP configuration, static, 192.168.1.2, then same sa subnet. X nyo lang, then to check kung connected ang PC2 sa PC1, tap it again, go to command prompt, then ping hindi nyo sa pag-i-connect by itself, but you will going to put the IP address of the PC1 192.168.1.1. So, since nag-reply siya, so successful and connected ang PC2 sa PC1. So, let's check kung ang PC1 connected sa PC2. Same man ang process, go to prompt, so command prompt, then type the ping, the IP address of PC2, 192.168.1.2. Then, if mag-reply, your PC1 is connected to the PC2. So, for the PC1, we will going to put their IP address for the laptop and PC crossover connection. So, IP address is 192.168.2.1. Then the subnet is still the same, which is the 2 255.255, sorry, 255.0. So for the laptop, the IP address is 192.168.2.2. The subnet will be still the same. The 255.255.255.0. So we will going to check it if they are connected. So PC1, same process. IP configuration, put the IP address, which is the 192.168.2.1, and just X. Then for the PC2OL1 desktop, IP configuration, same process, put the IP address 192.168.2.2 na subnet. So if you were going to check, go to command prompt, then put the IP config, enter. So since replied, it's connected. So we're going to put the ping, the IP address of L1, the laptop 68, which is 192.168.2.2. So it replies. So the PC1 is connected to L1. So let's check if the L1 is connected to PC1. So IP config, enter, then put ping the IP address of PC1, which is 192.168.2.1, enter. So it replies, and our second crossover is successful. So for the last one, the network 192.168, the third is we were going to put the IP address. So IP address will be 192.168.3.1. Subnet is still the same, which is 255.255.255.0, that's 0. And for the IP address of laptop 2 will be 192.168.3.2. So we were going to put the subnet, which is still the same. Subnet, which is 255.255.255.0. So we were going to check it, same process, if it is connected to L2, which is laptop 2 desktop. IP configuration, put the IP address, which is 192.168.3.1, subnet X. Then for L2, same process, IP configuration, 192.168.3.2. X ulit. Then, check if the laptop 1 is connected to laptop 2. Command prompt, IP config, enter. Its reply, area ang aton nga subnet. So, ping the IP address of laptop 2, which is 192.168.3.2. It replies, and the L1 is connected to L2. So let's check if our L2 is connected to L1. Same process, command prompt, IP config, enter its reply. Put the ping and the IP address of L1, which is 192.168.3.1. It replies, and the third one is also a successful.